In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pets older in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So with this new update, we now have pets. As you can see, I have a bunny over here. There's a dog, a Labrador, and a panda as well over here. And to actually make these older, now let me show you. When they hatch, they are always age 1, so they're 1 year old. But this panda over here is already 6, as you can see in my garden. And I have the other animals, which have different ages as well. This one is 5, and then let me find the dog. Oh, it's over there. So the dog is currently 4 years old. Now, to actually get them to age, let me show you how to do this. So, if you go over here to the egg shop, to the pet eggs shop, this salesman called Raphael over here will actually have all the info for you. So, if you talk to him and then click on how do my pets get older, you can see he's gonna say a few things. So pets age as long as their hunger bar stays full. I'm gonna show you what that means. And a full pet's hunger bar drops over 12 hours. So after that, what he's also gonna say, let me just wait, there we go. Pets age offline and gain size as they grow, okay? So this is basically everything that's important. I think that's all he says. There we go. So if you go over here, if you wanna click on an animal, for example, this dog, or this panda over here, you can click on it and then click on view. Over here, you'll see what age it is, how much XP it has, and then as long as it has hunger, it's gonna gain XP and it's gonna age. So every 12 hours, basically the hunger will drop, and then you're gonna have to feed it again, and that is how the animals age. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.